Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can connect HUAWEI AM61 Wireless Earbuds. So it's very simple, and at first you have to turn off these earbuds, so just click and hold the middle button. When the indicator blinks on the red color, it means that they are turned off. And right now what you have to do, it's very important, click and hold it and keep holding until this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue color. Let's make it. Keep holding. Right now just release and put them back and simply open notification bar, enter for the Bluetooth settings, tap on the switcher, and as you can see they pops on the list, so we have to simply tap on them, accept pair, and as you can see we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.